Smart wearables are the next step in the consumer Internet of Things, wearable, and continuous remote patient monitoring evolution. This market is one of the most vigorous over the coming years. But are we sure that the existing wearable technologies are a good option when we need to evaluate athletes' performance in extreme weather conditions? The Sintec Smart Patch is particularly efficient in elite sports. Let's see why. Matt A. is a former elite alpine skier and is now a high-level recreational ski mountaineering and a professor teaching students at the Faculty of Sport. He is interested in various electrophysiological parameters, but is currently trying to improve his performance by testing different ski pole lengths for uphill skiing. The associated stride frequency and stride length could be retrieved from the smart patches and the Base Go, both developed by Sintec. The Sintec Smart Patch is more comfortable for athletes compared to existing technology, and it can be used in cold winter outdoor environments.
In the laboratory settings, we are interested in his aerobic capacity and how the use of different pole lengths affects his performance. And in this scenario, in addition to the Sintec technology, which can provide ECG, heart rate, it can also provide skin temperature, which we are not currently very much interested in. It can also provide biomechanical parameters such as determining the stride frequency of his movements. And with this, we can evaluate his performance. But then later on, when we are going on snow, we will use also this Base Go as GNSS technology, and this can provide us also the speed, because the speed on the treadmill is not necessary because we adjust it. It's the speed of the treadmill, but when we are outside, this is used to evaluate also the speed. So if a different pole length will provide a better speed of the athlete. In this kind of combination, you can see that these smart patches and Base Goes as a hub is a really small technology, works in a star network. All the sensors that are deployed over the body that can detect different parts of the body movement also attached to the skis. So to see how the skis are moving, when they're stopping, when they're moving in a different part of the cycle. All this is working together, and all the data is then collected in the hub and distributed over to the dashboard in the cloud, where you can control all the data in real time. This is one of the really cool features of these new technologies, because we all know now that today everything moves to remote monitoring of athletes. And in addition, for sports like ski mountaineering, this is of particular interest because it's in an outdoor environment, and monitoring athletes is even more demanding. So this kind of remote controlling of the athletes is another level of advantage. So since this technology is really light, it has approximately 7 grams each sensor, so it's quite light, it's very thin, very slim. We believe it's a good replacement of the existing wearable technologies, and most likely it will be a real game changer in the future for measuring sports performance.
We are satisfied with our research so far, and we hope that this new tool will help additional researchers, athletes, coaches in the future.
Sintec, a soft, sticky and stretchable smart patch for multiple usage and long lifetime. For anyone, anywhere, anytime.